is Juwelier, singer, songwriter, music producer, and this is Soothe2 by Owick Sound, one of my favorite mixing plugins. Let me show you how I use it in my latest song, To Be a Woman. You can also use Soothe2 in mid-side mode. I sidechained the whole instrumental bass to my vocals. As you can see, I'm mostly affecting the mid-channel here. Again, my goal is to make sure my vocals sit well in the mix, and all the other elements dance around it in a musical way. Thank you for watching, and listen to my song, To Be a Woman, out now.
Juwelier, Iris, Juwelier.